If your mornings feel rushed and your kitchen counter is already crowded with too many appliances, you're probably wondering if there's one machine that can actually replace several of them. Buying a separate waffle maker, sandwich press, and indoor grill isn't practical for most people. That's where today's product comes in. We're taking a closer look at the Fohere 3-in-1 waffle maker and sandwich maker to see if it truly earns a place in your kitchen. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The Fohere 3-in-1 is designed for busy families, students, apartment dwellers, and anyone who enjoys quick homemade meals without filling their kitchen with multiple appliances. Instead of focusing on just one job, this machine lets you prepare crispy waffles, toasted sandwiches, grilled meats, vegetables, paninis, and more simply by swapping the removable cooking plates. If versatility is what you're after, this appliance definitely grabs your attention from the start. The first thing you'll notice is its clean, modern design. The blue finish gives it a fresh look that stands out from the typical black countertop appliances, while the stainless steel housing adds a more premium feel. Despite offering 3 different cooking functions, it's surprisingly compact and doesn't take up much storage space. It can even be stored vertically, which is a big advantage if your kitchen cabinets are already packed. The insulated handle stays comfortable during cooking, and the non-slip feet help keep the appliance stable while opening and closing the lid. Another feature that immediately improves the overall experience is the removable cooking plates. Instead of being stuck with a single cooking surface, you get dedicated plates for sandwiches, waffles, and grilling. Swapping them takes only a few seconds, and because they're coated with a quality non-stick surface, food releases easily without requiring excessive oil or butter. Whether you're cooking melted cheese, waffle batter, or grilled vegetables, cleanup is refreshingly simple. Once the plates cool down, most residue wipes away with minimal effort, making everyday use much more enjoyable. Performance is where the Fohere really starts to justify its place on the countertop. Thanks to its powerful 1200w heating system, the appliance reaches cooking temperature in just a few minutes. That quick preheating is especially valuable during busy weekday mornings when every minute matters. It also has enough cooking space to prepare 2 sandwiches at the same time, making breakfast for couples or small families noticeably faster than using smaller single-serving machines. One feature that sets it apart from many budget competitors is the 5-level temperature control. Instead of relying on a fixed temperature, you can adjust the heat depending on what you're cooking. Lower temperatures work well for delicate foods like waffles, while higher settings are useful for paninis, grilled vegetables, or achieving better browning on sandwiches. The LED indicator lights clearly show when a unit is heating and when it's ready to cook, making the entire process beginner-friendly even if you've never owned a sandwich press before. In everyday use, this appliance fits naturally into a busy routine. You can make waffles for breakfast, grilled sandwiches for lunch, and paninis or grilled chicken for dinner, all using the same machine. The independent power switch is another thoughtful addition because you don't have to unplug the appliance after every use. Small conveniences like this may not sound exciting, but they make regular use feel much more practical. Of course, no appliance is perfect. One of its biggest strengths is versatility. Replacing 3 separate appliances with one compact machine saves both space and money. The fast heating, removable plates, adjustable temperature control, and easy cleanup all add genuine everyday value. On the downside, the cooking surface is designed primarily for smaller households, so larger families may need to prepare multiple batches. It also doesn't provide the same grilling area as a dedicated full-size electric grill, although that's expected given its compact design. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest product reviews that help you spend your money wisely. If you'd like to check today's latest price or see whether there are any current discounts available, you'll find the direct product link waiting for you in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.